Hey guys, it's JD from Ponzo World, and today we are unboxing and reviewing this wireless charging dock for an Apple Watch and also your iPhone. So in this case, you can find this charger on Amazon. Links will be in the description if you want to go pick one of these up. Not much more to say about it, so let's go ahead and take a look at the box. Here it says wireless charger dock for iPhone 8 or above, and also the Apple Watch series. That could be any Apple Watch 0 through 4. 2-in-1, and then it just says, well, in this case I got the black one, so there's black and white for iPhone. On the side here, wireless charging simultaneously, and then on the back here, just some information and what basically just information about it, and it also tells us about the device. On the side here, 2-in-1 Type-C port, that's pretty cool. 2 coils for charging, and just some more different things. Not much more to say about it, so let's go ahead and get into it. So I already took a look at this box. I haven't opened it, but I took a look, and it's very weird how you open this. You open this little flap, and it kind of opens like that. Let's go and get my knife in there. Come on. There we go. Let's pull up here, and okay, it's taped a little bit. There we go. Okay, so this is a USB-C cable, like they said. Let's toss that off to the side, and doesn't look like much else, so let's pull out the charger. There it is. And then we also have instructions. Fast wireless charger dock user manual. Let's toss that off to the side and get this charger out of its wrapping. And well, there it is. Very nice so far. Has some rubber here so it grips, and then has a tension and stuff like that here. So my camera focus. So that's pretty cool. I guess there's not much more to say about this. So let's go ahead and plug it in and see how it works. Alright, so let's plug it in and see what it does. Alright, green light, kind of teal light, and then it went off. So let's go ahead and now get my Apple Watch and charging, just like that. And here I have my iPhone XS Max. Charging, just like that. It's that simple. Just put it on there. One wire, just plug it into a, well, actually, that's why they gave you this. Must use 9V1, I don't know. 5-volt, 2-amp adapter basically is what you need. The camera will focus. Or else, apparently, if you use like a normal Apple one that comes with your iPhone or your Apple Watch, it can damage the charger, or it just won't charge both devices. So I found that very interesting. So make sure to get, a 5-volt, 2-amp or above wall brick. In this case, I have an iPad one, so that'll work just fine. So that is very important. Make sure you have 5-volt and 1 amp or 5-volt, 2-amp adapter basically, or else, you might break something. Alright, so it is done taking the charging score. So my charging score is 714 for this wireless charger. Let's go and see. 160 seconds to charge 1% of your battery, which isn't too bad once again. In this case, I can't test what the battery score or the charger score is on the Apple Watch. But anyways, it's been sitting here for a while, and it's gone up 4% on my phone. So that once again isn't too bad at all. So yeah, that's basically it for the charging part of it. What else can I say? Blue light is on whenever your phone is on here. And also, one thing that I do want to test is if I get a phone that does not have wireless charging, such as this iPhone 7 and put it on here. It does not do anything. Okay, so it doesn't flash a light or anything like a Mophie one does. So that's good to know. And then also, apparently, you could put your phone like this and it starts charging. So that's pretty cool. If you're watching a movie or something, you know, you could just put it like that and it could be charging during that. So that's really cool. I really like that. Anyways, I guess I could tell you guys in the next clip what I think of this wireless charger. Alright, so what do I think of this wireless charger? I think it's pretty good. First thing I'm going to go over is build quality. So let's take my devices off here. Build quality. I like it. It's rubber here, and then this seems to be like plastic. And then on the bottom here, you have little rubber pads, and then I believe a little bit of a cooling system here. Anyway, so build quality wise, it's not bad at all. I like that it has rubber here, so your phone isn't just going to be, you know, rocking all over the place like it would with plastic. And what do I think of the design? I think it's very cool. I love that it has the watch charger built in, so you don't have to use the one that, for example, you got out of your watch charger box. And then, you know, you just put it on there and it starts charging. So that's pretty cool. And then, of course, with your phone, put it on there, starts charging. Doesn't have to be very specific. You just kind of throw it on there and I'll start charging like it is right now. So I think it's pretty decent. If you want to go pick one of these up, links will be in the description. And I guess that's it for this video. So I hope everybody enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye.